Hey everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be checking out the ultimate mechanical keyboard and computer accessory. That would be the SDFM X3 Violent Turbo Fan. This is basically a replacement to compressed air, and this will help you clean up your computer or mechanical keyboard in seconds. So I'd say let's check it out, unbox it and try out all of its features. Let's get right into the unboxing. The design of the product packaging is quite minimal, going through the features with 180 grams of wind pressure, as well as a 130k RPM brushless motor. Inside the box we're greeted with a simple and pretty nicely made user manual that goes through the product features, how to operate it, as well as what's inside of the packaging. Also there's some specifications, and we will just check out basically what we get. First things first, we get a very nice and soft feeling pouch that I actually really like, and I think it's very nice to include to keep the X3 safe. Then revealing this foam, we have the actual X3 Violent Turbo Fan itself. First impressions when holding it was, this thing feels like quality. Build quality is very sturdy and I really like it. Then we've got a USB-A to C cable, and we've got our cleaning set. This includes the power supply, which is USB-A power brick with 9 watts, as well as a variety of different brushes that will help you in cleaning, which I think is super nice to include. And without further ado, let's start cleaning. So grabbing our X3 Violent Turbo Fan, we can already power it on by long pressing the power on button at the back. This at the same time also acts as your mode select button, going from extremely fast to medium to soft, which you can basically tune in depending on how much dirt you have or what use case you want it. On the back of it, we've also got the USB-C power input, as well as a little indicator on the battery status. Turning it on, we can already start dusting, and here I'm using one of the more softer features, which was honestly really powerful already. Setting it to the turbo mode, which is the most powerful, you'll need to click the little trigger button to basically keep the brushless motor spinning. And here I was just playing around with the actual blower, and it was so strong, it really moves things away. Using it here on my PC, which honestly got quite dusty, this thing is perfect for just dusting off things that you don't really get to easily with a vacuum cleaner or you don't regularly clean. So going through my keyboard, my computer, and even my lamp. This one is very awkward to clean, and having the X3 made such a difference. Let's check out also that you can use this as a little cooling fan. So if it's very hot in summer, you can use the X3 actually as a little fan to cool yourself down, which is very cool. Honestly, the first setting is more than enough. Setting it to the second one was already very strong, which, I mean, it can be nice, but the last one, oh my gosh, don't do it. It is way too strong. And overall, there we have it. I really do love this, and it's a great replacement instead of using compressed air. And there we would have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know in the comments below what you think of the X3 Violent Turbo Fan. I'm curious to know what you think. And as always, if you did like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a lot, and I really appreciate it. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.